Hey everyone! Today is an exciting day because we're unboxing the Nintendo Switch 2. I've been eagerly waiting for this, and I'm thrilled to finally share it with you all. So, let's open the box and see what's inside. The first thing we find is a note from Nintendo, thanking me for receiving this amazing package. Big shout out to Nintendo for sending this over. Moving on, we open the green section inside the box, and here we find the Nintendo Switch dock and the power cable that connects to it. Next, we check the blue section, which holds the Joy-Con controllers. The left Joy-Con is blue, and the right one is red. They look incredible. Finally, we take out the main component, the Nintendo Switch 2 screen. It's sleek, vibrant, and features the iconic blue and red colors on each side. Let's attach the Joy-Cons now. Watch as they magnetically click into place, one on the left and one on the right. It's so satisfying. With everything set up, we dock the console, and I'm already thinking about all the fun I'll have playing games like GTA 69 and The Legends of Rick Roll. That's it for the unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my other videos, like, subscribe, and as always, have a yogalicious day. You said. Simple wording main ho you are Zara Bari ho. ChatGPT said. ChatGPT. Hey everyone! Today, I'm really excited because I'm unboxing the Nintendo Switch 2. I've been waiting for this for a long time, so let's open it up and see what's inside. When I opened the box, the first thing I saw was a note from Nintendo. It was a thank you letter, and I want to give a big shout out to Nintendo for sending this to me. Next, I started looking at the contents of the box. In the green section, I found the Nintendo Switch dock and the power cable that connects to it. Then, I opened the blue section, where I found the Joy-Con controllers. The left one is blue, and the right one is red. They look so cool and colorful. Finally, I took out the main console, the screen of the Nintendo Switch 2. It looks amazing with its sleek design and the blue and red color scheme on the sides. I attached the Joy-Cons to the screen, and they clicked into place so smoothly. It was really satisfying to put it all together. After that, I docked the console, and now I can't wait to start playing some games. I'm super excited to try out titles like GTA 69 and The Legends of Rick Roll. That's it for the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a great day!